Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to learn about how to hide and show objects inside Maya. So first we will create some 4-5 objects inside a viewport. Click on sphere and keep it on another position. Create one box. Create a cylinder. Then create a cone and a torus. So here we are having this 5 objects. To hide any objects inside the viewport, we have to select the object, like we have selected the torus, and click on display and then click on hide. In hide you can click on hide selection and the shortcut key is Ctrl+H. This option will hide the selected object inside the viewport. Like if you want to hide this cylinder, then again select this cylinder and press G on the keyboard. So what does G do? G is basically repeating the last command or action. Whatever you have used before is going to repeat that again. To bring the last hidden object, like the last hidden was the cylinder, to bring that object again inside the viewport, click on display, show, and show last hidden, and the shortcut key is Ctrl+Shift+H. In this way you can bring the last hidden object. And to bring the torus again inside the viewport, you can click on display, show, and all. So all will bring every hidden part inside the viewport. And in some scenarios we want that if we have selected an object and if we don't want this object to hide, we want all the rest unselected objects to be hidden. So in that way we can click on display, then go to hide and click on hide unselected objects, and the shortcut key is Alt+H. In this way you can hide all the unselected object in the viewport. And if you want to bring that again, click on display, show all. We can also hide lights and camera inside the viewport. So to create the lights and camera, click on create lights and create one point light. We'll change the position for this light and create one more, like create a spotlight. Again go to create a camera, and now if you want to hide all the lights inside the viewport, we can go to display, hide, and click on lights. So it will hide all the lights here inside the scene, and then click again on display, hide, and cameras. So it will hide camera also. Then if you want to bring all the hidden objects like lights and camera, then again go to show and all. It will bring again inside the viewport. So these are very useful option. Go and explore this. Again we have lots of option here. So this hide option is going to help you while modeling, and we cannot hide different objects in layer while working on character, or else we can revise again all this option. To hide any object, select the object and press Ctrl+H. To bring the last hidden object, press Ctrl+Shift+H. And to hide all the unselected object inside the viewport, press Alt+H. Okay, so practice this shortcut, and I think I have covered the basic here.